Welcome to the another inspiring Japanese tiny house tour. Today we were going to explore a beautifully designed Japanese tiny house that shows us just how creative and comfortable small living space can be. The Japanese tiny house is compact, minimal, and also simple at first glance, but once you step inside, you will discover how every corner has been carefully designed to create living space that feels open, bright, and also incredibly inviting. The first thing that will catch your attention in this Japanese tiny house is the wide openings in the living room. Large glass window and wide doors panel allow natural light to flood the space, instantly making the living area feels much bigger than it actually is. These wide openings connect to indoor living room to the outdoors, creating seamless transition that is a hallmark of many Japanese tiny house design. The view from inside the living room gives you a direct connection to the outdoor terrace, which is one of the highlights of this home. Right next to the living room, the Japanese tiny house features spacious outdoor terrace. The terrace is not just an afterthought, it is an extension of living area, making this Japanese house feel larger than more versatile. And whether it's enjoy a quiet morning coffee, hosting a small gathering, or simply relaxing in up the fresh air, the terrace become an integral part of daily life in this Japanese tiny house. Positioned near the large window of the living room, it creates a beautiful flow between indoor and outdoor living. Moving back inside, the layout of the Japanese tiny house continues to impress with its clever of use of space. Above the bathroom, you will find a comfortable and safe loft bed. Many Japanese tiny house design utilize vertical space, and this is no exception. This loft bed is designed to be sturdy, secure, and cozy, and giving the residents a private sleeping nook without taking up available floor area. From up here, you can enjoy a cozy retreat while the rest of the home remains fully functional below. It's another brilliant example of how a Japanese tiny house maximizing every inch of the space. So whether you are fascinated by minimalist design, curious about space-saving solution, or simply love the charm compact living, the Japanese tiny house is a perfect example of how thoughtful design can turn a small home into a big inspiration.